Top 10 Best Ways to Earn Money as a Teenager in 2023. Even while teenagers may not have a lot of bills, they may still be required to pay for quite a few things, such as auto insurance, phone plans, going out to restaurants with friends, school trips, clothes, and so on. Some adolescents do not receive an allowance. Even adolescents who do receive allowances often do not receive sufficient funds to cover all of the items that they would like to make. If you find yourself in either of these situations, you should give some thought to the possibility of picking up some extra work to bolster your financial situation. You'll be happy to know that there are a lot of different ways that teenagers can generate money. Hey, some of those ways can even be enjoyable at times. Therefore, if you are seeking a little bit of motivation, check out this movie and watch it until the very end. Number 10. Create a channel on YouTube. You have the opportunity to make not just a little extra money, but a sizable amount of money by uploading videos to YouTube. The amount of money you make depends on how much time and effort you put into generating the videos. To be eligible for ad revenue from your YouTube channel, you must be at least 18 years old. However, you can create an account with the help of a responsible adult. Having said that, a good many YouTube creators make a significantly greater amount of money through sponsored videos, swag, and paid product promotions than they do from any advertisements that appear on their YouTube videos. Even younger children may participate in this possibility if an adult is willing to establish a channel on their behalf. Although the majority of minors who make money by making films about themes that interest them are teenagers, even younger children may do so. Number 9. Manage your accounts on social media. Teenagers who are interested in pursuing a profession in marketing in the future can put their marketing knowledge to good use by managing social media accounts as a means to generate income. You have the option of working for individuals, smaller organizations, or even individuals, even though it is highly improbable that you would obtain a role at a major firm, which would be full-time employment anyhow. Because this position highlights your skills on the platform, it is ideal for people who already have a sizable following of their own on social media. If you are interested in applying, go here. However, you will be required to show signs of maturity. Even if companies are aware of how proficient young adults are at surfing social media, all it takes is a few careless decisions to completely ruin their image. Number 8. Become a virtual assistant, VA. A virtual assistant may have a variety of duties, some of which may include replying to emails, organizing meetings, entering data, and performing other administrative chores, while the customer is concentrating on the more high-level parts of a business. The virtual assistant is taking care of the duties that are less difficult but are nonetheless necessary to complete. This is a particularly fantastic method to make money as a teenager if you know someone who could use the assistance of a virtual assistant, such as relatives and friends. Other potential clients include people you meet online. Because virtual assistants frequently deal with sensitive information about their employers, it is in everyone's best interest for them to collaborate with someone they are already familiar with and can put their faith in. Number 7. Participate in video games. Playing video games is a popular pastime for both children and adults, and it turns out that playing video games can also earn teenagers some extra cash on the side. Users of Mistplay are assisted in finding new mobile games. The more time someone spends playing, the more Mistplay units they will accumulate. You can trade in your units for a variety of rewards, such as gift cards to PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, and other online retailers. In addition, Mistplay provides its players with the opportunity to compete in weekly contests for valuable rewards. Even very young children can participate in these activities and earn money at the same time. It is important to note that the application can be downloaded from Google Play, but it is not yet compatible with iOS devices. Number 6. Online surveys. Everyone has their point of view. But were you aware that you might make money out of yours? Several online survey firms will pay you a little amount of money in exchange for your feedback. It's not hard to start earning money with Swagbucks. Users of Swagbucks have the opportunity to earn Swagbucks points, SBs, by doing simple tasks. These tasks may include completing surveys, but they may also include other activities such as online shopping, playing video games, or even just conducting web searches. Users can exchange SBs for gift cards to famous merchants such as Apple, Amazon, and Target, and the website gives out approximately 7,000 gift cards per day. You can, however, redeem points in this manner if all you desire is cash, and the money will be sent to a PayPal account on your behalf. And if you want to make money even more quickly, Inbox Dollars also gives customers prizes for doing things like reading emails, trying out new apps, playing games, and shopping online. Since the website's inception in 2000, it has distributed over $80 million worth of cash prizes. Consequently, it has been enabling users with an internet connection to make supplemental income for almost 2 decades. Number 5. Be a graphics designer. Do you enjoy visual creation and wish that you could be compensated for it? Graphic design is a profession that can earn you money. Graphic designers have expertise in a wide variety of areas, including company logos, images for blogs and social media, material for social media, and signs for businesses. One of the best ways to get started is to search for potential customers on social media or to make contact with local companies. In adulthood, you have the opportunity to work as a graphic designer full-time if you discover that this line of work is something that you truly enjoy doing. Number 4. Video editing. Editing videos is a skill that is in high demand and can be done remotely. You may edit videos for social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and the like. However, there are other forms of video editing work that you can perform, such as working on movies for a company's website or assisting a wedding videographer. You can find these types of jobs online. This might be a fun way to generate money, especially if you already enjoy the process of producing videos. Number 3. Launching your own business via the internet. Consider launching your own online business if the idea of working for someone else does not appeal to you. You may open a shop on Etsy to sell the crafts that you've made, send out email newsletters, assist people in finding jobs, sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace, or do any number of other things. Create the kind of service you've always wished was available but haven't found yet. Number 2. Become a blogger. You are free to write a blog about anything it is that piques your interest. When starting a blog, many people choose to write about an issue that is important to them, such as mental health or the environment. Others choose to write about topics that are more personal to them, such as their passion for music or sports. Blogging can be a therapeutic hobby for some individuals, but it also has the potential to be a lucrative source of income for others. You can generate revenue from your blog by hosting pay-per-click adverts, promoting helpful products or services, or publishing sponsored content. Number 1. Put your clothes up for sale on Poshmark. If you were to go to your closet right now, there are probably some items of clothing hanging there that you haven't worn in a very long time and don't intend to wear shortly. You have the potential to earn some money by selling those items on Poshmark. The greater the quality of the garments and the more well-known the brand, the more money you are likely to make selling them. You can improve your appearance by purchasing new clothes with the money you make on the platform. Alternatively, if you are putting money aside for another purpose, you can withdraw it to a bank account, PayPal, or Venmo. How was the video? Do you feel it helpful? Give your feedback in our comments section below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.